Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time. Are we gonna be drawing together? In this video, we're gonna be drawing a cow. First, let's draw the head. Draw an oval and then a curve for the head. Let's draw the horn, two horns, and the ears. Then draw two circles for the eyes. Make them sparkling by drawing two small circles inside and envelope it with a bigger circle. Now two little circles for the nose, a smiley mouth, and two oval for the rosy cheeks. Let's start drawing the body and the chest, down the legs. That's the front one. Another one's at the back. Separate the hooves and the legs. One more leg at the front. Let's draw the other. And then another legs at the back. And now draw the tail. The last one is drawing the spots. You can draw as many spots as you want, or you can just copy the way I draw the spots. And also on the head, one more, and now it's done. We are ready to color. It's quite cute. Just color the ears, the base of the horns, and all the spots black. Don't forget the eyes, also black. The hair on the tail also black. Let's color the horn and the upper part of the face pale pink or salmon. We also use this color for the udder and also part of the tail, the base of the tail. The rosy cheeks pink and the bottom part of the body or the tummy pale orange. And now it's done. It's quite nice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.